Wrong love with my best friend's wife. My name is Alex. I am 32 years old now. I never thought my life would become this painful. It all started 5 years ago when my best friend, James, got married. James and I grew up together in the same neighborhood. We played football after school, shared secrets, helped each other through tough times. He was like my brother. When he met Emily, I was happy for him. Emily was beautiful. Kind eyes, soft smile, always laughing. She came from a nice family. They fell in love quickly and got married in a beautiful ceremony. I stood next to James as his best man. I hugged them both and said, "You two are perfect together." At first, everything was fine. We met often, dinners, weekend trips, holiday parties. Emily was friendly with me, too. She called me bro. But slowly, something changed inside me. One evening, James had to travel for work. He asked me to stay at their house because Emily was alone and felt nervous at night. "You're like family, Alex. Please help," he said. I agreed. That night, Emily and I talked for hours. She told me about her dreams. She wanted to be a teacher, but after marriage, she stayed home to support James. I listened. She cried a little. I held her hand to comfort her. That touch, it felt different. My heart started beating fast. I knew it was wrong, but I couldn't stop thinking about her. Days turned into weeks. James traveled more for his job. I visited their house often to check on Emily, I told myself. But the truth was deeper. We talked more, we laughed more. Sometimes our hands touched by accident. Sometimes we looked into each other's eyes too long. One rainy afternoon, it happened. James was away again. Emily was sad because she felt lonely. I went to her. She hugged me tightly and cried on my shoulder. "Alex, I feel so empty," she whispered. I held her. Then I kissed her. She didn't push me away. We both knew it was wrong, but the feeling was too strong. After that, we started meeting in secret, stolen moments when James was not home. We said "I love you" many times, but every time guilt ate me inside. James trusted me. He called me his best friend. How could I do this? Months passed. Emily became quiet. She said, "Alex, this is destroying us. We have to stop." I agreed, but my heart didn't listen. I loved her too much. Then the worst day came. James found out. He saw a message on Emily's phone. He came to my apartment at night, angry and broken. "Alex, my brother, how could you do this?" he shouted, tears in his eyes. I had no words. I just cried. "I'm sorry," I said again and again. James left Emily. He said he couldn't live with the pain. Emily cried every day. She blamed herself. I tried to talk to her, but she said, "We ruined everything. Go away, Alex." Now, 2 years later, I am alone. James moved to another city. He doesn't talk to me anymore. Emily got married again to someone else, a good man, I heard. She has a child now. I see her photos sometimes online. She looks happy, but I know the pain is still there. I lost my best friend. I lost the woman I loved. And worst of all, I lost myself. Wrong love doesn't bring happiness. It only brings regret and broken hearts. I sit alone at night and think, if I had stopped that first kiss, maybe everything would be different. But I didn't, and now I am paying the price every day. If this story touched your heart, like the video, comment how you felt, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more emotional English stories. Turn on the bell so you never miss one. Thank you for watching. Take care of your loved ones.